eyes. It's so cute. So cute. Do you like my eye? It's so cute. Oh my god! What's wrong? Oh my god! What is wrong? You? You're so nasty.
Your makeup's really pretty.
Thanks. I'd like to say the same for you, but what's wrong with your eye?
I just haven't slept in weeks. I mean, there's a horrible noise, and those mortals are like, oh my god, it's New Year's! Look at it! Oh, Christmas, our presents! I don't get crap.
Oh, well, I get lots of things, you know?
I don't care. I have a new noise. You know how everyone's like, I was like, ew, it sounds like I'm trying to throw up or something. Everybody's used to it, so I decided to try.
Yeah!
You did. Alright, good, because you were my tester. You didn't mind. Oh my god, what is that?
What?